them just burn out inside and never make contact with this jacket. This one would have.
Oh, hi.
Uh, power.
Welcome to another episode of This Old Barn. I'm Jigs McGillicuddy. As you can see, I'm watching YouTube videos on how to fix a glass fuse.
Let me go through the water to ground.
You see, connected to this old barn is this old house, and well, the house is almost as problematic as the barn. Last night I was running my bath and doing some dishes while I ran the bath when I realized the water was cold. The water was cold. So I went downstairs and had a look. Actually, no, the first thing I did was run upstairs and have a look, and I realized that the bath was running cold as well. I had no hot water. I went downstairs, looked at the hot water thing, looked at all the stuff. I have no aptitude, remember? No aptitude. I'm a man with zero aptitude. And the hot water's not working. So it's got these glass fuses in there. I'm guessing one of them might be broken. I don't know. I live so far from anywhere. I don't know how. I just want to have a bath. This fucking stupid old house, stupid old barn. Now I'm watching YouTube videos with some Yahoo trying to tell me how to fix a water heater, and he starts the video with a bird flying peacefully across the screen. I'm desperate for the information, and I gotta watch this cinematography from a 60-year-old guy in frickin' somewhere in Alabama showing a bird flying across the sky and chirping to start his video. Who wants to see that? I want to fix a hot water heater. I don't think we're gonna be working on this old barn today.